Hi everyone. Today we're going to talk about iOS 18.2 Beta 1 and specifically the Apple Intelligence features that have just rolled out. They've rolled out like a week ago or something, but I have just been approved to the beta program of Apple Intelligence features. So can't wait to show you, and maybe you already know a lot of the stuff, but nevertheless, if you know, this video is for you. So we have Apple's Apple Intelligence new UI. And if we say launch playground, we're going to see, the new playground. But before we dive into the playground, I would like to talk about ChatGPT. All right, first up, we have ChatGPT integration. And this is a huge update because now you can ask Siri a more complex question and it will directly ask ChatGPT and return the answer generated by ChatGPT. And moreover, you can log in to your ChatGPT account. I don't know why. Maybe you get a more personalized data, or maybe you take advantage of the ChatGPT Plus subscription if you have it by now. Now, about Image Playground. I've been playing with it for a while, and I have to say it's fun at first. When it stops being fun to generate your own images, you start playing with your friends and families photos, and it's pretty accurate, I would say, for the most part. But what is it? Basically, you can create images with the help of AI, and this is the Apple's version of doing it. As always, Apple limits how much you can do with it. For example, I don't think you can generate images of people by description. You can only take a photo of someone or self and add a few alterations with the help of few modifications to the background, to accessories and stuff like that. And most importantly, you can choose whether it's a 3D illustration or is it a watercolor sketch or something. You can also take a photo and do all of the similar things to the image. And that's basically it. A lot of the times I found out that I cannot use this or that word or like any famous people in general. I don't know. So maybe it's not available right now. Maybe it will not be available ever. I don't know. Now, if we move on to Genmoji, I think this would be the most used part of Apple Intelligence. Probably, I'm not sure. What this is basically that you can create any kind of emoji that you can describe to an AI. And it's been even more fun than Playground for me. You can create crazy new emojis in the similar style and send them to your friends. But I'm not sure that they can see those emojis as emoji. They will probably see it as an image or a sticker. Nevertheless, it's so fun when an emoji resembles your image yourself. But more than that, I think you can create emojis that look like people from your contact list. And this is where it gets even crazier. I'm going to let you find it out on your own. Just make sure you don't overuse it or, don't be weird with it. And the last but not least feature of Apple Intelligence that I've been playing with is Image Wand. I don't know what are the limits or like more sophisticated features of Image Wand so far, but the most basic thing what you can do with it is when you're in your notes app and you're writing some article or something, now with the help of an image wand, you may create a thumbnail image for your notes, for each note. And it's pretty accurate of what it can do. So you don't have to think about a perfect image for your article. That's what comes into mind when I think of how am I gonna use the image one. Well, that's basically it. You can even, I think you can modify the image, but basically it creates a watercolor-ish style image for you. That's basically it. But yeah, that's a quick look at Apple Intelligence and then in an iOS 18.2 beta 1. Right now, it's available for iPhone 15 Pro Max, I think, and of course, iPhone 16, like newer, bigger, like Pro versions and Pro Max. If you're on beta program, give it a try and maybe let me know in the comments what do you think. I'm not sure these features will be used a lot except of Genmoji. I think it's pretty fun. But other than that, I don't think we're going to use Playground a lot. Just like the Clips app of by Apple. But it's good to know Apple is going somewhere with AI. All right, this is it. If this video was somewhat interesting for you, consider subscribing and I'll see you in the next video.